Today is a very exciting day.
It's not true. So it's just me here tonight. Luke's been here during the day finishing up the sanding in every room except for the kitchen. So tonight I'm going to be clearing out everything that's on the floors, giving them a good vacuum and good wipe down, and doing our first coat of poly. So hopefully that goes well. It's always easier to work on things together rather than alone, so I'm hoping I don't ruin all of our hard work, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We've used poly before, so should be all good. Let's get into it.
Just finished the next coat of polyurethane on the floors. Oh, yum. So, second coat of the polyurethane on the floors is done, and we've just got one more coat to go, and we need to do the kitchen separately because there's so much rubbish in the kitchen at the moment and so much stuff and tools and dust. We're going to do the kitchen completely separately and knock a couple of coats out on the kitchen later this week. So Dad's going to come around this afternoon and install the bench tops with me. So this has a 3-hour drying time, and it looks nice and shiny at the moment, but we'll dry a bit more matte, not so gloss. And we've got a satin finish on the floors with the polyurethane. So I'm going to go do some work and then come back late this afternoon and get stuck into the bench tops with my dad. And we're making good progress. So
what we do here is go back.
You know why? You're doing your thing. Do your thing, girl.
No.
You're a joke. Overtired, underpaid. Workers here.
Wait, you get paid?
I'm part of the union, it's a bit different. We are on our last day, hopefully. Well, last official day of work before we take photos for the listing. And there's a lot to do, so we're going to get stuck in and try and smash out as much of it as possible. All these last few things seem to be fairly easy, but don't ever work, so that's where we're at. So we'll probably be here till tonight, but hopefully we can get it all done. Basically what we've got left to go is PowerPoint installation, mirror installation, shelf installation, build a flat pack, touch up all the paint, do the silicone on the trims, install the kitchen handles, make sure all the locks work, clean up the paint, clean up the floors, vacuum, all in the one day. Easy. Let's go. Welcome to my renovating creative.